Hello, good day guys, this is Dr. Fu. Welcome back. In today's very video edition here, I'm gonna be unboxing a welding machine which I bought from China, and I did a lot of research before getting this because I want to dive into a different world. You know, I want to dive into some astral plane. I want to be in different dimensions. So I have a lot of abilities, guys. So if you are my subscriber, you should buckle up because there's a lot about to hit this very channel here. DIY stuff, building different things. So, and here we're gonna be doing it together. So without wasting much of your time, I'm so excited. This is like a first time welder without having any experience. So with my research capability, I've been able to come up with this. I actually saw this product down here in Africa, and it is very expensive. However, I did use my other capability, my internet surfing capability, to get this from the company. So I know definitely it's gonna give me what I want. Let's go over. It came from this company here, so it's ACDC inverter TIG welder from Idan. Idan is a giant company in China. They are trusted for a lot of things. So you can see, so I think you can weld up to what, that's the specification right there. And so it does come with this, and that's the negative clamp, so it can perform a TIG weld, a TIG welding, then the normal other one. Then they have socket. So we're gonna be going ahead to take a look at it and see what they have. So it's portable, it's multifunctional, and multiple protection, and let's say it's high quality. So we're gonna be taking a look at that, and it is a 200 ACDC weld machine. I choose this very option here because I want it to be able to weld both aluminum. You can see some other specification down here, you know. So I'm gonna be using my generator to run this. I have torn it apart. I've torn the this thing. Okay, this is the cover where the pipe for the argon gas was, you know, because it was through ocean freight, not through flight. And there was a heavy downpour yesterday. You can see some rain in here. Someone helped me quickly took it in. So now this is the real package. So it does come with a pipe, a hose which you can use to connect the argon gas to this. We're gonna get to that later. I haven't even got the argon bottle. And now we got this, which is actually tightened, fitted, and since it says high quality, I want to examine some of these things and tell you what is my take. It seems like okay, you can see right in there are some tips that are copper and some are not, but it did actually look solid to it feels. And the cable, I wouldn't say much, but the cable seems as if it's quality. Here is the plug where you plug it back to the welding machine. So I'm gonna keep this aside and we go further. Now next is gonna be the ground clamp, which is this guy here. He also rock very solid. You know, if there is anything I'm gonna say about Chinese product, I'm gonna tell you there is a high quality over there, and I did actually trust Chinese quality over Korea quality. For a lot of you guys who don't know, I purchase a lot of things which I use from China. A lot of them last quite long and a very good bang for the buck. So this one also is gonna be plugging to the ground of the welding machine, which you're gonna be using to do the welding. So I'm gonna keep it here, and let's go over here. This is where the main guy that makes it a TIG machine is coming from. It's gonna be hailing from. So I'm gonna open it like this, let me wrap it up like as if it's a pizza. For a lot of you guys, I mean, look at it right there. It's gonna be thinking, oh, I got a pizza inside here. And here we go. So one of my associates actually turned this later, this stuff yesterday to take a look at it. Who is curious like me? I need a tripod. Oh shit, no tripod. But here, this is where you connect to where it feeds argon gas into the system, and that's the handle. And I got another one here. I'm not completely, I didn't know everything completely here. This is definitely power sockets that feed power to the system. It's nicely clamped. However, the wirings are looking a little bit okay. It's only actually two connectors in there that are actually making connections. So all these other ones are fugazi, just out of the 5 pins, it's only 2 that is working, which is actually 2 and 1. So that's why we got this very small wire right here. So let's take this guy out. Like I said, I haven't had any previous experience, so I just did this shopping based on my own. So you can see TIG 17. Okay, that's where you push and blah blah blah. It should start, after connecting it with argon, and it seems a little bit solid to feel. And here springs where you can rack it up and down, and it got another connection, definitely maybe for it on ground. I don't know. Like I told you guys, I'm new to this thing here, so I'm gonna be looking at what else come inside the pizza box, and that is it here. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it out. So that's it. So that's a couple of the mount, but it doesn't come with any tungsten electrode, but at least this should be able to get you started. It has a 9, it got a 5, it got a what again, it got 5. Wow, how does it have 2 5 in there? We got 6 9 5. I think they made a mistake right there. They should have been adding 4, but they added 2 multiple. So that's what it comes in inside the pizza box. So I'm gonna keep this aside. Now we get to the main guy. What else does it come with? It comes with this. I want to go ahead and there is one more thing that comes in with before we take a look at the. Okay, it comes with this. You guys can see it right there, which you can use to see through. Let's try to see how dark that is. Looking at the sun, it is really way thick. I'm trying to see the sun. You guys can see how it reduces the sun reflection right there. If I take it right now, that's huge. So that's really thick. Now it came in with a manual, wow, and a couple of clips, which is fantastic, which is going to be going in with the hose. And it got this, which you're going to be using to brush off the TIG mouth. I think that's pretty much it. So aside this, it doesn't come with any other thing. Now we go over to the machine side. Yeah, the switch off and on did actually rock solid though. The cable here seemed like a high quality. It's really big, and we got that's where the gas is gonna go in, and got another ground where you can decide to ground it using an electrode, and it comes with 2 fans here that's gonna be helping to cool off the system. So you can see that's it done. Now we come over to the real interface here. Okay, so got a push button to select AC/DC, to select M, MA and TIG, and 2T, 4T pulse selection or something. Menu. Wow, Now those are the sockets for different purposes here. Where did this one come out from? Yeah, definitely here. So guys, this is the Edon. I don't know if that is how the Chinese people pronounce it. So guys, it has never been used before. It's a brand new, and this tuning knob, whoa, that doesn't look really strong, but so I guess someone don't have to be aggressive with it. This is not the diesel guy show. So guys, pretty much this is what it inside the stuff. Now what I'm supposed to be doing right here right now is to plug it up to my generator, because right here everything is get powered by generator, like, you know, like 21 hours or 22 hours. The power from the grid only have to stay like 2 hours and it goes off. That's the reality. So guys, this is it. So should you choose you want to buy this, I'm gonna be making the tests later on, because for now I got a lot of things. I'm not gonna be going to plug it on right now to test how it works. But since you are gonna be definitely subscribing to my channel, I'm gonna be using this for most of my job, going into doing welding. So this is my first one. Most of what I'm gonna be doing is DIY stuff, and I'm gonna be diving into a whole lot of things. So if it serves me very well, I'm gonna be going back into buying the bigger amperage one. But for now, I need something that my little generator can be able to carry, and I'm gonna be easy to take it to anywhere which I want to go. So guys, I hope you find this very helpful. If suppose you're trying to buy this, I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.